Good morning, everyone. My name is Priscilla Goishan, and I'm the leader of Group 29. Today, we would like to present about the multi ordering systems that we developed. The first question is, what have you learned from the subject? First of all, I learned how to code in a better and shorter way in this subject, and also I learned how to use functions, vector, and file handling. Second question is, what have you contributed to the project? The things that I contribute to this project is that I was responsible for making the login system and then also making the milk tea sales report for each flavor. Not only that, I also helped design the entire program. The third question is, explain the part which you have contributed to the project. First, for the login system, we must enter the correct username and passwords to enter the entire program. If the username or password is entered incorrectly, we cannot enter other pages. For sales report, this sales report will record every drink sold on that day, including its price in the file. We can determine the sales volume on that day through the file of this sales report. Finally, I'm responsible for designing the entire program, which will make the entire program more beautiful and smoother to use. The fourth question is, how much time did you spend to develop your part? It took me about 6 days to complete my part, and each part took 2 days. And the last question is, what are the obstacles you faced during your project development? The obstacle I faced in this project was the difficult to design every part because I need to adjust the position of every line. Also, it takes a while to learn how to use file handling so that all record completely record in each file and then display where they should be displayed. Not only that, because too much time is spent on each part, the entire project suffers a little delay. Thank you.
Hi, madam. My name is Jeff Chorichong. Now, I want to answer the five questions for this project. Okay, the first question is the what I have learned from the subject. I think it's the C++ language I have learned much in this subject. The function, class file handling, and others I have learned in the subject, and also I have learned the teamwork in this subject because I have discussed the question and also debug the program with my group member. The next question is, what have I contributed to the project? I always have discussed with my group member about the program, and also I have the responsible for completing my own part. Okay, the next one is I will explain the part I do that and also how much time I spend for this part. The first one is the display menu part. They will have the main menu, favorite menu, sugar level, and ice level, and also the size and topping menus. That's I will display the menu for this one, and also the choice and selection part is I do that. That will make the user can choose their own choices in the menu. And this part I do the around 2 and 3 days. Okay, the last one is the obstacles part. I have spent many time to search and understand what I don't understand. Something like file handling and class that is difficult to me. I will search online and asking my friend to understand the these two part how to works. And also I have learned in the notes to solve it.
Good morning, sir and madam. I'm Wong Bing Wen. Now, I'm going to talk about multi-ordering system. In this project, I have learned about classes and file handling in C++. Classes organize data and functionality, promoting reusability. File handling enables seamless interaction with external data, crucial for efficient processing. I actively contribute to discussions, complete assigned tasks on time, and play a key role in debugging to ensure project stability and functionality. My main contributions were in payment processing and displaying receipts. For payments, I collaborated on implementing a seamless system handling user input, calculating balance, and providing clear instructions for a smooth customer experience. In addition, I created a user-friendly interface for displaying receipts, focusing on layout design, data formatting, and readability. I spent around 2 to 3 days developing my part. This timeframe enabled me to focus on understanding requirements, brainstorming solutions, and implementing them effectively, ensuring timely and quality contributions to our project. Lastly, during the project development, I faced obstacles with class implementation, displaying receipts, and research. However, Through perseverance and collaborations, I successfully navigate this challenge, ensuring meaningful contributions to the project's progress. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi madam, I'm Lim Cheng Liang. I'm here to answer the 5 questions while doing this project. The first question, what I have learned from this subject. First of all, I think it's coding. I have do coding before, but the coding I do before is not complicated such as the code I do for this project. And secondly, I think it's teamwork. If only myself, I think I can't done this project very well. And the third is time management. I need to control the time to the project. The second question, what I have contributed for this subject. In this project, I try my best and I give the suggestion and attend every time of the meetings and I do my part as soon as possible so we can compile before the due date. The third question and fourth question is explain the part and how much time I spend. Actually, my part is the auto saving order summary part, and it's about the file handling, and it used many time because not sure how to do it. So it's around about 1 week. And the last question is the obstacle I face. I think it's the coding because the file handling is really a big problem for me, and I don't know how to start to do the about the auto saving order summary, and so I use many time for searching and understanding. That's all. Thank you.
Next, I and my team member will start our demo section part. I will start with the admin login first. The reason why we need a login system is because we need to ensure the security of our ordering system. So before we enter the ordering system, we need to log in with our username and password. I have saved our admin username and password in the admin credential file. I enter my username, but I accidentally typing error my password. It will show that it was a wrong username or password and we need to try again. I try again. It will show us that I'm logged in successful and we go to the next part, ordering system. So now we can start to place an order or exit the program. If I don't use my name, my username to log in, I use my friend Jeff, example like Jeff, and I entered password. We will also show that I'm logged in successfully, and I also can go to the next part that is ordering system.
Okay, now I will demo the display menu part and the choice and selection part to you. Okay, now we can see the display main menu part here. You can choose the first one, place an order, or the second one is exit. If you choose 0, it cannot work, it's an invalid choice, and also the 11 is cannot. You only just can search it, just can select the place an order or exit. Is that first and second number? I choose the first one. I can see here is the favorite part. There's a different favorite and different price here. And also you cannot select the invalid choice. This cannot work. You just only can choose 1 until 10. That is just can work up. So I select the third. You can see here the size. If a third size is here is small, medium, and large. There's different price. If small price is based on your original price, the medium price is at 2 ringgit on your original price. The large price is at 3.5 price. So I choose the large. It will go to the next part is the sugar level. There's no price here and also have 3 types is the less sugar, normal sugar, and full sugar. You can choose. 0 is invalid. Is 4 is also invalid. So I just select the second one. Okay, the next part is the ice level. And here you also cannot choose the 0, 5. You only can choose 1 until 3. So I choose the second one. Okay, for this is a topping section. I will pass to my group member. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and madam. So now I'm going to demo the topping section. As you can see, the system is first started by displaying a topping menu where there is 1 to 6 selection, and it will prompt the user to enter a value so that it can add a topping. If the user accidentally enter a number where it is exceeded between the value 1 to 6, for example, the user enter 7, then the system will inform the user that the user has entered an invalid choice and please enter a value between 1 to 6. So now the user has to enter a correct value. For example, select 3, 4, sorry. Then the system will ask the user whether he wants to add another topping or not. Y for yes and N for no. Then if the user want to add another topping, Y, and the system will again display the menu to show for the user so they can select the topping between 1 to 6. Now, the user want to add, for example, 3 this time, the cream. Then the system will again ask the user, do you want to add another topping? Yes or no? Now, if the user think, okay, this is enough, then you will enter N, no. So now the system will prompt the user to enter the quantity of the milk tea that he entered just now. If the user want to choose 2 cups of the milk tea, so you can enter 2 at here. And the bill is come out. You can see that the flavor, size, sugar, ice level, and topping that the user entered just now is shown, and the quantity and the total cost is shown too. So now I'm going to pass it to my next group member, and that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, madam, and I will continue the demo part for the payment. Here is the receipt, and inside the receipt will show the order of the customer and the total cost of the customer. Here is 3.5, and here can enter the amount of the money which the customer give us. So I will show 3 type of the customer give us. First is the money is more than the total cost. Then here will show the balance that which need to give back to the customer. And here got the order summary saved to the order summary txt. And for the next example, is the customer give us the money is enough, is suitable, and no have the balance we need to find back to the customer is 3.5. So here just directly show thank you and the order summary saved to the order summary txt. And for the third example is if the customer give us the money insufficiently, so in our system, they will show that uh, he or she need to give more money until the payment can be done. So here the customer give us more 2 ringgit, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we need to find balance is 0.5. Then also this was saved to the order summary txt. I will show the inside the order summary txt. Here is the 3 order summary we just saved. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks to my teammate explaining other parts. Next, I will demo to you the milk tea sales report part. First, I need to order a drink as an example. First, I need to place an order and I choose the caramel and I choose large and also the full sugar, full ice, and no topping. and I don't want to add another topping. 1 quantity, and it will show the order summary for my drinks, and I enter the amount. It will show that the order summary saved to the file and also the sales record saved to the milk tea order file. So when I need to see the record, I need to open the file. So the order just now has successfully saved into the file. After the order summary and also the sales record saved to the file recording, it will return to the ordering system part, and we can choose place an order again, or we can just exit the program, and it will show exiting the program, and thank you.